Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to crochet class number 20. Today we are going to be learning front post double crochet. To start your front post double crochet, we're going to be looking for our stitches, and we're going to be kind of counting them just by these posts, just by the stick part underneath the stitch. So we're ignoring the row at the very top. We're just working into these spaces in between our stitches. And you, of course, can use the same color yarn. I'm just using a different color for the tutorial. So start by wrapping your yarn, and we're going to be going in before our stitch right here. So we're going to be going down into our work, into the space between our stitches, and then coming out the other side. So we're going to be putting our hook just like that. So wrap your yarn and go down into your work underneath that first post, just like that. And now grab your yarn and do your double crochet just like you normally would. Just like that. That is your first front post double crochet. So wrap your yarn. Now we're going to go in right before the next post, just into that space, and up the other side of that post. Grab your yarn and bring it back and make your double crochet. So that is your second front post double crochet, just like that. So this is what it looks like in slow motion. And that is how you do front post double crochet. So that's what it looks like on the front, and that is what it looks like on the back. So lots of different patterns call for the stitch, and that is how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this class as much as I did. There is a link to the playlist for all the classes in the description box down below. And if you haven't joined or subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click those buttons under this video right now. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next class. Stay hooked.